review of 6-inch wide magnetic easy up LED recessed downlight. It's IC rated for direct contact with insulation, so you don't need like a bell housing on it or anything else. Just need install the wires with following the quick wiring connector. It's included there, so it's just push to connect. Take the existing wires, snip them, do like, I don't know, 1/8 of an inch, pair them and just push to connect the provided connectors. It's Energy Star compliant and it's airtight, means that no moisture will get in. Every kind of certifications that there are known to man. Envirolite is the company that imports them, made in China. The company is located in California. So let's see what's inside. Comes very well packed. Alright. Comes with a pretty much good stencil where you can just put on the ceiling and make a hole. I wish all of the other manufacturers would provide that, because it's critical. Like it says, the size of the hole is critical. The diameter of the hole should not exceed 6.6¼ inches. Cutting a larger hole may prevent proper installation. Yeah, that's right. Alright. Comes with a nice set of instructions. Installing, Spanish and English. Installation diagram. Yep, pretty much all the necessary stuff for it. Alright, and there's this little bunny. So, very easy and straightforward. After you've done the hole, after you've made your hole, let me take that out. So I need to reverse that. After you're done making the hole, there you are. Those are push to connect wires. So you grab your black wire, which is your live one. You strip the wire about that much and just push to connect it. Nothing else. It doesn't really matter which hole you're using. Just push to connect and that's it. Nothing more. So the green one is ground, white's neutral, and black is live. After you're done then, put the plate back on. You have to break actually one of these guys. You can break them very easily with like flathead screwdriver. With a flathead screwdriver, you just pop them in, pop them out, and you run the wires there. So it's insulated. And those two retaining clips you have to straighten. So here's the review of the 6-inch interior. The 6-inch interior white magnetic is let recessed downlight. It's rated for direct contact with insulation, so all you need is just cut a hole in your ceiling, connect the wires according to the wire diagram, black to black, white to white, and ground to ground. It has every kind of certification. It's China made, imported by a company Envirolite in California. It provides a stencil for the hole you need to make in your ceiling if such hole is not existing or it's narrower than this. Now this is critical. You have to actually try. It says itself the size of the hole is critical, so you need to be careful about that. So you have to use this stencil in order to make sure the hole is proper, and let me show why it is critical. It is critical because that's the size of it. So in order for you to be able to install it, you have to flip those up like this, keep them like this, keep them like this, keep them like this, and push them into the hole. Once you do that, they just fix that. Those are pretty sturdy springs. So springs, so there won't be any wobbling, or space or gap between this and the ceiling. They come with quick connect, with actually push to connect connectors. You just need to strip your wires, push them in, doesn't matter which hole, and you're all done. After that, actually before that, you need to use a flathead screwdriver and just pop one of those out so you can feed the cables inside, and then you close that with that bracket and you're pretty much done. That's it. Nothing much. One interesting thing about it is that it comes with magnetic installation for the frame, for the decorative frame outside. So you just have to push it in and it snaps in place. No bolts, no nothing, no screws. It's just magnetic. That's some next level stuff right here. Thanks for watching.